Hey guys, welcome back to Delft Stack, and today I'll be showing you how to change font size in Brave browser. So in order for you to do this process, first things first is you could just simply open up your Brave browser into your computer. And now from here, you could just simply go for the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. And now over here, you could go for the gear icon here at the bottom. It will be the settings. Now from here guys, just simply go for the content on the left side over here. And as you can see at the very first one, you will have font size. And from here, select medium over here. And you could change it to large or a very large. And you should be able to change the font size in your Brave browser. And if you want to customize the fonts as well, from here, as you can see, you should be able to see all of the differences between. And pretty much from here, you should be able to have the font really customized on each font, as you can see over here. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.